Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you the auto cook functions and the recipes in the Samsung microwave MS. So let's click on the auto cook, and number 1 is a ready meal. Number 2, vegetarian meal, broccoli florets, sliced carrots, green beans, spinach, corn on the cob, peeled potatoes. Number 9 is a brown rice. Number 2, wholemeal macaroni, quinoa, bulgur, chicken brides, turkey breast, fresh fish fillets, fresh salmon fillets, fresh prawns, and fresh trout. Basically, that's it. If you want to use any auto-cook function, just select it and click on the start button. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.